Hope everybody's feeling good. So, you're interested in starting your own credit repair business. You're interested in getting funding. You're interested, period, in getting the LLC. Well, investing into the do-it-yourself kit is a great solution for that. Not only will you get the tools to start you on your credit repair journey and help those around you, but you can also make this a business to yield you residual income, right? You could be making money in your sleep with your successful credit repair business. So not only are you getting to be your own boss, not only are you getting a company, not only are you getting that LLC incorporated, but you're also going to be able to double up and repair your credit as well. Yeah. So the flat fee of that, of course, is $200, right? Or if you don't have time, you don't feel like doing it, y'all do that. Man, y'all do that. Y'all handle that. I don't have time. I know a little bit about consumer stuff, but I just don't have time. You do it. We can do it here for you at the Upstream Life Group. We can take care of it for you. We're up 24/7 fighting these credit bureaus. We're up 24/7 repairing credit. Right now, I'm repairing credit. I'm helping repair credit. Right? So if you want to take advantage, today is Memorial Day. If you want to take advantage of, being off today, not being at work, not being forced to work on Memorial Day. If you want to, have a good day, it's 2:06. If you want to have a good day, it's 2:06. You're going to have to repair that credit. You're going to have to get that LLC started. You're going to have to take some type of move to get you right. Do you want your ceilings to stop, or do you want them high? What exactly do you want? So, like I said, take advantage of that do-it-yourself kit. If you don't have time, you want us to do it for you, give us a call, give us an email. We'll see if we can help you out with that. Very affordable rates. We work with the people. We try to educate the people while we're doing the process. And we would like for you, if you have got the credit repair, if you have went through Upstream, we would like you to leave a comment. Tell others about it, man. You remember, you get a discount when you invite somebody else. You get a discount if you have to come back to us, or you can get a referral.